Welcome to my YouTube channel. On this channel, we find facts and fine-tune figures. Welcome back, and this is the final project for this course series. I know we've done a lot of work exploring what Microsoft Fabric is, and we've done two projects. The first one is ingesting from an API source, and then the second one was an end-to-end source, where I actually did the demonstration from the very first step to the last step. For this final project, I'm just going to give us a quick guide on how we can get this done. I've done this project 8 months ago. That was immediately when Microsoft Fabric was announced, but I have a good documentation for that project. I believe that once I walk you through, you'll be able to recreate the what I was able to do within this project. So it's actually a stroke prediction project. In this project, you are going to predict whether a patient will have a heart stroke or not based on his or her comorbidities, work, and lifestyle. In this project, you are going to do your data ingestion, your data cleaning, data visualization, and machine learning model. And for that to happen, you are going to make use of your data factory and your Synapse engineering experience. You are going to also use your data science experience and even your Power BI experience. So let me walk us through the project architecture quickly. Like we already know, our data is going to be sitting inside a work lake environment, and then you create a workspace. So after you create a workspace, the next thing you want to do is your lake house, where you are going to be ingesting your data. Then you are going to use your data flow gen 2 to ingest data into your lakehouse, and then you can orchestrate and automate that process using your pipeline. So once your data is done ingesting into the lakehouse, your data can now be accessed from your SQL endpoint, where you can now write your SQL query, and then you create your view that you are going to be using for your data model. Also from this lakehouse, also you can actually create a notebook where you can now write your machine learning code for SVM, and then that will be it for data science experience. So, but there are some other screenshots here. This is showing the data flow gen 2. This is showing all the items within Fabric environment that was created for this project. So for data engineering part of it, the data set for this project is going to be extracted and transformed using data flow gen 2. So you do all of this for your data engineering and your data preparation. So once your data is ingested, you add your data flow into a pipeline, and then you can set up your schedule refresh to make things automated. And then the stock data sets will now be available in your lakehouse. From your lakehouse, you can then write SQL queries to create your data model. And this data model is to create views and then aggregate your data into dimension and fact table, which you can then now use for your data modeling to create a star schema. So from this your star schema, you can do your data visualization, and then this is the visualization. This is what it's going to look like. Just a simple EDA, and then some comorbidities, and then we have some heat map and correlation, just like you will do in your notebook if you are doing heat map also. And then for the data science part of it, that's where you build your machine learning model. That is support vector machine. So you use this model to predict if a patient is going to have stroke or not. So the notebook for this project is actually available in this repository that you can download, and then the comments of what each line of code has also been made available for you that you can use. So that will be the end for this project. I believe that with everything you've learned from this series, you'll be able to recreate this project seamlessly. Once you are done, post this project, tag me into it, and don't also forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.